if you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Realme GT 7T, then let me quickly answer that question for you. So if you are looking for the best charger possible for this phone, then you can use a Realme charger that has at least 120 watts, because the phone supports 120 watts of charging, wired charging that is. So ideally you want to have at least 120, and of course Realme charger will be the best one in this case, because most likely it is optimized for this phone. Of course, if you don't want to, you don't really have to purchase specifically Realme charger. Instead, you can use any other well-known brand. At least it is recommended to use a well-known brand. And of course, as long as you have 120 watts, then it should be just fine. If for some reason you cannot find 120 watts charger, then you can use a weaker one that has 100 watts, 50 watts, etc. All of them will work. It just makes charging slower, depending of course on the amount of watts that the power adapter can provide. But generally speaking, the less watts you have, less than 120, the slower the charging speed will be. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.